Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, empowering women to build wealth online. So I'm just kind of sharing what I'm doing, and I want to share, and I've had some recent conversations, and also I want to share what you guys could do with your child tax credit. So if you have kids, you can get somewhere around $250 to $300 per child, right? That's a dependent of yours. So a lot of you, some of you are living paycheck to paycheck. You feel like you don't have any extra money, and then some of you have extra money, but you're still like broke, meaning you don't have savings, you don't have investments. And so one thing I want to share with you that's realistic and doable that you can do. Hey, thanks for watching. Comment below where you're watching from. I got these things on because I drive a lot, and so I got these things on. Usually I take them off, but I forgot. But hopefully y'all can hear me good since I'm using them. So what I did, so if y'all been watching my videos, you know that I am starting over as it pertains to a savings, right? And so because I recently bought a house, I used all my money toward that, and we're also doing renovations. So what I'm doing now is I'm building up another mini emergency fund, or I like to call it a mini contingency fund. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking a percentage of what my income is into my household, whether that's, it doesn't matter if you have one income or several incomes. Whatever income is coming in, you want to take a percentage of that off to at least save, right? Of course, we want to give and we want to invest. You got to do that too. But if you're just starting out and you're trying to save, what you can do is you can do all three. Even if you have to go, so let's just say you wanted to take 10% for savings, 10% for investing, 10% for giving. That's 30%. Are you able to live off of 70% of your income? You can work your way toward that, and this extra money can help you do that. But if you're not in that position, take some percentage. So you could go as low as 2%, 3% of your income. So you take 2% toward giving, 2% toward investing, 2% toward saving. Okay, that's 6% of your income. Can you live off of 94% of your income? I think you can. So here's an opportunity to practice that. So one thing I do is I keep my savings separate from my checking. I've done other videos on that. If you can't do that, it's about the habit. So you want to have one account for doing all your spending and another account for your savings. Let's just keep it simple. So what you're going to do, let's say you get $500 today, right? A lot of us got it today. I got mine today. So I was saying I take 10% of my income, but this is an extra money. So I have a goal to get to $3,000 mini emergency fund as quickly as possible. So in addition to me putting all of my income, taking 10% at minimum, 10% of that, and putting it into this account, I'm also just going to take this whole child tax credit money and I literally just did it before I did this video. That inspired me to do this video. I literally just transferred it to my mini contingency fund or mini emergency fund. So it's already grown just like that. So it's important to just have goals for your money and make them realistic goals and practice these goals on a regular let's say you have 5 businesses. Whatever income comes into those 5 businesses, you take out the percentage, and that percentage all goes into one, savings account. Now we have different savings goals. We'll put them into those accounts. I'll talk more in depth and maybe show you an example, because a lot of women have questions about how many accounts should you have in general, and how many savings accounts, and how many checking accounts. I'm not going to talk about this live, but I'll talk about it on another live. But just start with a savings account and a checking account. Let's just keep things simple. It's about creating the habit. So your habit is going to be saving, investing, and giving on a regular basis. So I hope I didn't confuse you. To wrap it up, if you get your child tax credit money, you do what you want to do with it. But if you want your money to go further, I would I just took the whole thing. You might not be in a position to do that. That's fine. Take a percentage of it. Okay? Like, I'm not in the position to just take $3,000 of our income right now and save it. So I just take a percentage of what I have coming through on a regular basis, and I take that, and eventually it'll build up, right? And one thing, you can put a date on your goal. Say so for me, I should, right? So let's say by fall. So right now it's July, August. I think by September 1st, I can have $3,000 in my mini contingency fund. So there, I put a date on it. I actually didn't do that. I just put what I was going to do. But it's important to give yourself a deadline, right? And anyhow, that's what I got for you. If you're interested in following, right, my free PDF, 8 steps to financial freedom, or 8 steps to increasing your cash flow this year, click the link in my bio. You'll see the 8-step game plan, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.